Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about theories of leadership, in which we will talk about trait theory of leadership, great man theory of leadership, and path goal theory of leadership. One by one we discuss about each. Firstly, we are going to talk about trait theory of leadership. According to this theory, people have some special qualities and characteristics which make them leader. According to this theory, people have some special qualities and characteristics which make them leader. Or we can say that according to this theory, people have some unique charm, they have some unique qualities which make them different from other, or we can say that which make them leader. Now we are going to talk about 6 traits of leaders, or we can say that qualities of people which make them leader. First quality is ambition and energy. Leaders must have a higher level of energy, plus they must have a strong desire to be successful. Second quality is desire to lead. Leaders must have a strong desire to lead others. Next quality is honesty and integrity. Leaders must have a honesty and integrity, or we can say that leaders should build trusting relationship with other by being truthful. Next quality is self confidence. Leaders need to be full of confidence, because if they show their confidence, then they can easily convince their followers about their goals and decisions. Next quality is intelligence. Leaders should have enough intelligence so that they can easily make their vision, solve their work problem, or make any decision. Next quality is job relevant knowledge. Leaders must have enough knowledge about their work. For example, they must have a knowledge about company, they must have a knowledge about industry or any technical matters. Now we are going to talk about great man theory of leadership. According to this theory, leaders are born, we cannot make leaders. According to this theory, leaders are born, we cannot make leaders. Or we can say that according to this theory, leadership qualities are found in heredity. We cannot teach someone leadership qualities, or someone cannot learn leadership qualities because it's present at their birth. For example, earlier people believed that only son of king deserved to be king, because they think that only son of king born with king's qualities. Now we are going to talk about key features of this theory. First feature is leaders are born with natural leadership qualities. Leaders are born with natural leadership qualities. Second feature is from their birth, leaders have abilities to lead others. Last feature is leaders come out when their need arises. Leaders come out when their need arises. For example, Mahatma Gandhi came out as a leader when our country needed him. Now we are going to talk about path goal theory of leadership. According to this theory, leadership styles, leadership qualities, and most important thing, leadership behavior influence productivity, motivation, and satisfaction of their followers. Or we can say that according to this theory, what kind of behavior and styles leaders adopt and what kind of qualities they have, it's play important role to improve productivity, motivation, and satisfaction of their team member. As we know, according to this theory, leaders' behavior play most important role to influence productivity, satisfaction, and performance of their followers. That's why this theory talk about 4 types of leaders' behavior that leader can adopt to improve productivity of their followers. First behavior is achievement oriented leader. These types of leaders set a very challenging target for their followers so that they can perform at higher level. Second type of behavior is directive leaders. These types of leader give right direction, or we can say that these type of leaders give specific guidance to their team member so that they can easily accomplish their task. Next behavior is supportive leaders. These types of leaders are very supportive. They show concern for their team members and give them support when required. And this type of behavior is very effective when employees have so many personal problems and they need some support and motivation. Last behavior is participative leaders. These type of leaders take ideas and suggestions from their team member, or we can say that these type of leader participate their team member in decision making. This is all about theories of leadership. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.